Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit a like, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on Alfa 159, Brera and Spider. I'm going to start right here at the top. I'm going to use my small flathead screwdriver to remove a plastic cover which hides the first 5mm Allen screw. I'm gonna use my spinner handle and 5mm Allen key socket, and as you can see right here I'm pulling on the door handle, so I got enough room to undo the screw. I'm also gonna use my plastic trim removal tool to remove this triangular piece. So we gotta do is pry it off and pull it up. It's held in place by this one clip, as you can see right here. Now I'm gonna remove this rubber cover which hides another two 5mm Allen screws. Now that I've pulled out the window switches, I gotta undo this connector. It's fairly easy to do. All you gotta do is press on this plastic clip right here and pull the lever to the back, just like that. There are two more 5mm Allen screws underneath the window switches, so I'm gonna undo them both. Lastly, we got three more Phillips screws on the bottom of the door. I'm gonna use my mid-size Phillips screwdriver to remove them. The door panel is free. I'm gonna undo the rivets. I always like to start from the bottom left side, and I'm gonna push the door panel up. The door handle should slide out on its own, but if it doesn't, all you gotta do is push it back. Just like that. Now as you can see, it's held in place by two pins on the top and on the bottom right here, and they basically slide into these notches. I got two more connectors to undo. I'm gonna press on this little clip and pull out this first one, and the second one is for the light on the bottom of the door. I'm basically just gonna pull it out. While we are here, I'm also gonna show you how to remove the interior door handle. I'm gonna pull the cable out of its place, just like that, and I'm gonna guide this hook out, and that is basically it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our FST.